In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a day-night theme switcher in WordPress. This is a fantastic way to offer your website visitors a personalized browsing experience by allowing them to toggle between light and dark modes. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. To begin, we'll need to install a plugin designed to handle dark mode functionality. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Plugins option in the menu on the left side of the screen. Once you hover over it, you'll see an option that says Add New. Click on this, and it will take you to a page where you can search for plugins directly from the WordPress repository. In the search bar, type in keywords like WP Dark Mode or simply Dark Mode. You're looking for a plugin that's popular and well-maintained, which ensures compatibility and regular updates. Pay attention to the plugin's user rating and the number of active installations. The higher the numbers, the better. Once you've found a plugin that you feel confident about, hover over the plugin box and a button labeled Install Now will appear. Click it. The installation process will begin, and after it's installed, don't forget the crucial next step. Activation. Simply click Activate, and your plugin will come to life. With the plugin now active, you'll notice that a new menu item related to the plugin has magically appeared in your WordPress dashboard. It's typically found under the Settings menu or may have its own labeled tab, such as WP Dark Mode. Click on it to open its settings page, where you can configure how you'd like the dark mode feature to function on your site. One of the first things you want to do on the settings page is to enable dark mode functionality for the front end of your site. This means visitors will be able to utilize the dark mode feature when they browse your pages. Simply toggle on the appropriate option to make this happen. Additionally, you might want to consider enabling what's known as a floating switcher. This is a small, interactive switch that hovers on the web page, allowing users to effortlessly toggle between light and dark mode as they please. It's a user-friendly feature that enhances accessibility and engagement on your site. Once you've configured these basic settings, it's always a good idea to preview your site to see how the dark mode looks and ensure everything is functioning as expected. If your plugin offers customization options for the switcher's design or position, feel free to explore these settings to align with your site's aesthetics. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled a day-night theme switcher on your WordPress site, enhancing your viewers' comfort and overall experience. Remember, you can always revisit the plugin settings to make further adjustments if needed. Thanks for joining me, and happy blogging!